listen carefully to the concept. Then we will discuss base level problems. Then we will discuss advanced level problems. I took two numbers. N1 is 12. 12 is 2 square into 3. N2 is 20. 20 is 2 square into 5. I want to find the LCM. First listen carefully. Every natural number, write down it as a power of prime basis. So LCM of N1 and N2. LCM of N1 and N2 is 60. 60 is nothing but 2 square into 3 into 5. All the students who are listening to me for the first time, listen carefully to every question which I am dictating. Slowly I will get into the very high level. 2 square into 3 into 5. 2 square, 2 square. What is highest? 2 square. 3 power 1. Here nothing is there, so I will write it as 3 power 0. 3 power 0, 3 power 1. It is 3 power 1. 5 power 1, nothing is there. So maximum is 5 power 1. First write down this definition. LCM always takes the highest power of the LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. Please write down this. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. The definition of LCM is it will take the highest power of the given prime basis. Right? Now example. This is my first one. Listen carefully, we will discuss very high quality questions. Example. N1 equivalent to 2 cube into 3 power 4 into 5 square. N2 equivalent to 2 power 7 into 3 square into 5 power 6. LCM of N1 and 2. LCM of N1 and 2. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. 2 cube 2 power 7. Highest is 2 power 7. 3 square 3 power 4. Highest is 3 power 4. 5 square 5 power 6. Highest is 5 power 6. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. First, another note. Please write down this. Another note. Purely conceptual class. Just you have to sit in the class. I will take you to a very high level in LCM and HCF. Suppose question is LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need to determine LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The definition of LCM is LCM takes the highest power of given prime basis. Highest power of given prime basis from 1 to 7. From 1 to 7, which are all the prime basis? One is 2, another is 3, another is 5, another is 7. What is the highest power of 2 till 7? 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8. So maximum power of 2 is 2. What is the highest power of 3? 3 square is 9, 3 power 1 is 1. Highest power of 3 is 1. What is the highest power of 5 till 7? 5 square is 25. 5 square is 25, but I require till 7, so it is 5 power 1. What is the highest power of 7 in 1? It is 7 power 1. So LCM of 1 to 7 is given by 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7. Again I am repeating. Whenever you are finding the LCM for the set of natural numbers, from 1 to 7, how many prime numbers are there? 2 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there, 7 is there. What is the highest power of 2 till 7? Which is 2 square 4. What is the highest power of 2? What is the highest power of 2 till 7? 2. What is the highest power of 3? 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9. So 3 power 1 will be 3. Next it will be 5 power 1. Next it will be 7 power 1. This is one example. Second example. I hope it is clear. Right? You need to understand, because slowly I will discuss very high level questions. Second, write down one more question. LCM of. Then slowly we will discuss little high level questions. LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 20. LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 20. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime bases. 1 is 2, next is 3, next 5, next 7, next is 11, next 13, next 17, next 19. These are all the prime numbers from 1 to 20. What is the highest power of 2 till 20? 2 power 4 is 16, 2 power 5 is 32. So highest power of 2 is 4. What is the highest power of 3 till 20? 3 square is 9, 3 cube is 27, which is 3 square. What is the highest power of 5 till 20? 5 square is 25. It is 1. What is the highest power of 7? It is also 1. 7 square will become 49. Next is 11. Next is 13. Next is 17. And next is 19. LCM of these given numbers is given by this value. I hope you are all there with me. Any issues till now? LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 20. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime bases. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime bases. Now, please write down one more question. Now, very good high quality questions we will discuss. First question. LCM of 6 power 6, 8 power 8, n is nothing but 12 power 12. LCM of 6 power 6, 8 power 8, n is 12 power 12. What is the maximum value n will take? Generally in the textbook, people will find out LCM for the given numbers. But I am giving you the LCM. I am finding what is the maximum value, one among the three numbers. Listen carefully. Quality questions will be discussed in the class. Step number 1. 6 power 6. Write down 6 as a power of prime bases. 2 into 3 power 6. So it is 2 power 6 into 3 power 6. Next it is 8 power 8. 8 is nothing but 2 cube power 8. The value is 2 power 24. We don't know the value of n. But we know the answer to be 12 power 12. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3. 2 square into 3 power 12, which is 2 power 24 into 3 power 12. 2 power 24 into 3 power 12. Answer is given. This is given. This we need to find it out. This is where the conceptual clarity on LCM is very important. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime bases. Highest in the answer, it is given 2 power 24. This should be the highest among the three numbers. 2 power 6 is not 2 power 24. 2 power 24 is already present in the second number. So n will take any value from 0 to 24. Because if you observe 2 power 6, 2 power 24, 2 power 0. Maximum is 2 power 24. 2 power 6, 2 power 24, 2 power 1. Maximum is 2 power 24. 2 power 6, 2 power 24, 2 power 24. Still the maximum is 24. Because it is present in the second number. Third number can take any value from 0 to 24. Next. 3 power 12. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime bases. First 3 power 12 is not there. Second 3 power 12 is not there. So third definitely it should be there. So the maximum value of n is 2 power 24 into 3 power 12. 2 power 24 into 3 power 12. Please write down. Right? Maximum value of n is 2 power 24 into 3 power 12. If the question is how many values n will take, how many values n will take, it will take from 2 power 0 to 2 power 24 into 3 power 12. So from 0 to 24, total 25 values it will take. Total 25 values it will take. Right? 25 values